Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk about section 2.3, question number 11. Another one of these questions that has the wrong answer in the back of the book. Sorry. So here's the question. How many 10-digit numbers are there with no digits repeated? This 10-digit numbers business is where we have to be careful, because a 10-digit number, well, it can't start with 0, right? So if we look at some examples of 10-digit numbers, we could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. That's 10 digits long. Doesn't matter that it ends with a 0. None of that's really important as long as it's a 10-digit number. Oh, and it says with no digits repeated. So I've repeated no digits here. Okay. Or another example would be, let's see, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's okay too. But you can't have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because if you try that, that's not really a 10-digit number, that's really a 9-digit number, right? So a 10-digit number, the only restriction that's implicit is that the first digit can't be a 0, which means there's really only 9 choices for the first digit. So if I look at our choices here, there are 9 options. Because the first digit can't be 0. And then, well, for all the others, once I've selected that digit, whatever it is, whether it's 1 or 9 or anything else except 0, then there are 9 remaining digits, and we can't repeat digits. So it'll be 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That basically is 9 factorial times 9. So let's see now. The number of ways here is 9 times 9 factorial, which is about 3, 2, 6, 5, 9, 2, 0. The answer in the back of the book, unfortunately, doesn't take into account the fact that the first digit can't be 0. They do 10 factorial, right? So, sorry about that. But this, I think, is a more appropriate answer. And for part B, it says how many 7-digit numbers are there with no digits repeated. Please don't fall into the trap of thinking that there are 7 factorial ways. Even if you consider that the first digit can't be 0, there's still 9 options. So we'll say the number of ways for event B, 7-digit number, that would be basically 9 option for the first digit. And then there are 6 remaining digits. So I'm going to say 10 choices. And we're doing permutations of 6 at a time. So 10p6. Okay, so oh wait, no, not 10p6. Oops. That should be 9p6 because I've used 1 digit for the first number, right? So I'm going to do 9, 8, 7, 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and then times the 9 at the beginning. So that works out to fewer permutations or arrangements. It's 5, 4, 4, 3, 20. And unfortunately, in the back of your book, it's basically 10p7, I think. They didn't account for the fact that the first digit can't be 0. So if you were just to do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, or whatever it ends with, or, yeah, 10p7, you'll get a slightly bigger answer. Okay, hope that helps. See you in class tomorrow. Bye.